Sakshi and this is my first video on this YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna share with you all 6 steps that are gonna be enough to get your life together for the new year, and these steps are gonna create like a perfect foundation. So make sure that you are implementing every single thing that you learned from this video in your real life. Truly hope that this video helps you out, and yeah, let's just get started.
Okay, so the first one is to clean your workspace or like your space in general. I don't know who can relate to this, but for me personally, I just feel like I always do this thing wherein I just let things get cluttered up, and I feel like if I clean it all at once, then it's gonna be extremely satisfying, and then like the end result is gonna be extremely pretty and all of that stuff. But it actually takes a whole lot of more time when I do it like this. And in the new year, I don't want to do this. I want to clean every single night before I go to bed, at least a bit, like for say 10 minutes or even 5 minutes for that matter. Just like doing something is always better than nothing. And this year I really do want to like start being a more cleaner person and just like having a more clean and nice space to work in. Once I was done cleaning my room, I did ended up adding these vines behind my bed. That's literally all that I did that day.
So now what I'm gonna do is go on Pinterest and create a mood board. I personally feel Pinterest is such a great place. It just always motivates me, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna motivate you all as well. Also this year I just want to manifest a lot of things. I think creating a vision board is a really great way. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on Pinterest and now start creating the mood board.
So this is the board that I just created. It's a manifesting dream life board. This is the series that I'm starting on this YouTube channel. These are a few of the pins that I have used. You guys can go and just like save them if you want to. I'll leave a link to them in the description bar below. So right now I'm just making a wallpaper, and I'm gonna use Canva for that. And here on this side of the screen I have my Pinterest board. So guys, that's how the final product looks like. I just absolutely love this. Then I created one for my phone as well. I used PicsArt for this, and here's how the final result looks like. It just looks really pretty to me. And now we are on my favorite thing, which is manifesting. Now in this video I haven't shown it properly because there are a lot more videos that are gonna come on this channel in which I'm gonna talk about manifestation. But over here I am just scripting. If you have no idea, I'm just gonna insert a Google search. That's what scripting means, and that's what I was doing. I just love scripting. I script every single week. I obviously skip it sometimes, but for the most part I just do this and I love doing it. So why I am doing it right now is so that I can set my manifestation intentions for the upcoming year. It just always benefits me like that. So the next thing that we have to do is to do some sort of planning. You can use Google Calendar for this, or a physical planner, a digital planner like Notion that I'm using right here. Whatever works for you, just use that. But I'm using Notion, and I'm gonna use a physical planner as well, which hasn't arrived yet. So I started using Notion last year, and it has definitely been a lifesaver for me. So in the clips that you guys can see on the screen, I am just trying to create my 2022 main page there. Then I just slept. So then I woke up the next day, and here's how that went.
So yesterday I was able to do a lot of it, and today it's the next day and I'm gonna complete my Notion setup.
Then I just ended up spending 1.5 hours on creating my Notion setup. So guys, that's how my Notion looks like. I'm thinking of doing a whole video on my Notion. So that's why I'm not thinking of like showing you everything that we have. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.